Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this Photoshop basic tutorial you will learn how to work with layers. This is the background color. By default it is filled with white color. If you try to move this background color, this dialog box will appear. The message is, you cannot move this background. You need to convert this to normal layer to move. Click on the cancel button to close this dialog box. Just click on this lock icon to convert this background layer to normal layer. Now we can move this background using Move tool. This checked board area is transparent, that means there is nothing to see here. Let's undo using Ctrl+C to go to previous position. Now I am going to create two circle using Brush tool. Make sure your brush size nearly 100 pixels and hardness should be 100%. After that create two circle like this. Now I am going to move this circle using Move tool. When I try to move this circle you can see another circle and white background also moving at the same time. The reason for this is these three objects created in the same layer. Look at this thumb, you can see all objects created in one thumbs. We need each objects in a separate layer, so that we can easily move each and every objects. Use Ctrl+Z to go to previous screen. Let's create new layer by clicking this create a new layer icon on the bottom of layer window. Then create a circle using Brush tool. Double click on this layer name to rename this layer. Let's name it as Red Circle. After that I am going to create Green Circle. For that, let's change foreground color to green. Once again click on a create a new layer icon to create new layer. Let's create new circle using Brush tool and rename the layer to Green Circle. Now we can move each circle separately using Move tool. Also you can move white background too. Now you can see green circle above red circle. If you want to see red circle above green circle, just select green circle layer and drag it to below red circle layer. Shortcut for change layer order is Ctrl+² left and right keys. This eye icon indicates layer visibility. Click on the eye icon to hide this layer. Again click the same place to visible layer. Use Alt key when you click on the eye icon to hide other layers. Once again use Alt key when you click on the eye icon to view other layers. If you want to select more layers at a time, use Shift key and click the layer which you want to select. Now you can move this both circle at a time. Also you can group those circle. Once again select both layers using Shift key and click on the group icon on the bottom of the layer to group this. Now you can move those circle at a time without using Shift key. There are three type layers, that are raster layer, shape layer, and text layers. I have created text on this canvas. Text layer looks like this. You can see T on the layer thumb. After that, let's create circle using shape tool. Shape layer looks like this. You can see square shape on the bottom right of the layer thumb. All other layers are raster layers. I will explain briefly in the coming videos. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel to get latest updates.